Jai Gurudev, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and learning something new every day. You're keeping yourself busy by learning something new every day. Yes, so today let us explore something new. Okay, you might have heard about the programming language. Okay, and a lot of people are asking now to enroll for a programming language. Yes, so how we can ourselves learn something new in this programming language? Yes, we'll see that. First, we need to know what is programming language. What is program? So program is set of instructions given by the user, the computer to perform the task. So that is called as program. In simple, set of instructions are called as program. Programs are nothing but softwares. So who gives the instruction? The user. Yes. So computer without the instruction, it cannot perform any task. Okay. So the set of instructions given by the user to the computer is called as program. So by now you know what is program. Yes. Why we need to give an instruction to the computer? Computer can perform the task on its own. Do you think it can function on its own? No, it cannot. As we all know, computer is a machine and it cannot think like a human being and perform the task. Yes, we can think and we can do the task. But if you consider a computer, it cannot perform a task without your help. You need to give an instruction. Based on your instructions, computer will perform the given task. The computer which cannot think on itself needs the instructions from a user who can think. Okay. Can a computer understand the instruction given by the user in plain language? Okay, now we know that computer needs the instruction to do any task. Is it like we can give instruction in any language and computer can perform the task? No, computer cannot understand the language which humans speak. It has its own language. Okay, we call it as a machine language. So what is machine language? Machine language is 0 and 1 or on and off. Anything you want to convey to the computer need to be in 0 and 1 or on and off. So that is the only language which computer can understand. So the language of a computer is called as machine language. It can understand 0 and 1. So who will write programs now? Who will write the instructions? That the person who writes the instruction is called as programmer, or you can call him as a coder. Is a person who can write programs for the computer to make it work for us. He has to use the various languages which is available. For example, you might have heard now Python, Java, C++. Yes. So these are the programming languages which are used by the programmer to write the instruction. He uses all this language, any one of the language, he writes the program. So websites, all these websites are written by using a script called HTML, okay, web pages. Okay, that also we will learn in our next video. So programmer writes the codes in various languages. These set of codes are computer program. Set of instructions are called as program. So before going for actual programming, we are going to explore a programming. Okay. Before that, let's understand how it works. Okay. What is the logic behind this coding? So quickly take a pencil and a paper. Okay. And you're going to listen to the instruction. First, you're going to write the letter alphabets A to Z. Okay. There are 26 letters. So under each letter, if it's A, you're going to write 1. So till 26, you have to write a number below these letters. Okay, I'll show you how to write that one. So this is the order we are going to write all the letters. Okay, we are going to write it. Below each letter, you're going to write a number. So each letter is represented by a number. Okay, you can take your time to write like this. Now, after writing this, next we'll do one more task. That is, below this table, whatever you have written, you're going to write a few numbers. Okay, first number you're going to write is 10. Next number 1. Next number 9. So three digits in one line. We'll go for the next line. 7. Yes, 18. 4 and one more number. Then this is the second line. Next we go for 4, 5 and 22. 3 letters. So In your previous table, each letter is represented by a number. Quickly wear your thinking caps and can you tell me something? You got something from this? Yes? So, can you tell me what is written in the course? Yes, it is written as Jai Gurudev. Yes, I have written this by using the numbers. What we have done here? We have learned to decode. The coding was there. We have learned to decode it. Yes, so this is what happens in the computer also. Yes, now we have learned what coding is, yes, and how to decode it. Yes, the task what we have done is called as coding and decoding. It is very important in the field of computer. As computer can understand only 0 and 1, the instruction given to the computer should be in 0 and 1. Okay, so later there are translators, compilers to do all this task of translation. Okay, so that computer can understand. Yes, later we will explore little more about all these topics. Now, those instructions are translated, okay, which is written here, will be translated to 0 and 1, and the computer can understand and it can start performing the task. Now, there is one more important thing. You all heard about who is the father of computer. Yes, we all know. Who's that? Charles Babbage. But do you know who's this? Her name is Ada Lovelace. She's the first computer programmer. We all know the Charles Babbage invented the first computer. Yes, the working machine he invented. It's called as analytical engine. But as we all know, to a computer, if it want to perform a task, it should be a program. Yes. So the first programming language was written by Ada Lovelace. Yes, who has written the first programming language? Ada. So Ada Lovelace is the first computer program. Let us know a little bit about her. So Charles Babbage, the father of the computing, is named, well, we all know. Yes. So he has invented analytical engine in 1837. Okay. Now, Lady Ada Lovelace has made a lot of contribution for this particular machine. She has written the first computer programming language. For that analytical engine, Ada Lovelace has written the programs. Okay, because of that, the computer could work. So the credit goes to Ada Lovelace too, right? So it was not known for a little over a century. It was only in 1953 that her work got wide publicity, because in one of the book, Faster Than a Thought, someone, that is D.O. Bowden, he mentioned about her. Okay, so now we all know who is Ada Lovelace. She is the first programmer who has written program for the analytical engine, which was invented by Charles Babbage. Now, any task to be performed by a computer need to be written using programming language. So there are various programming languages. Now let us explore one of the programming language through one tool. So you're in this application now. Okay, this is from code.org. Okay, this website will allow you to explore in the coding. It is free tool. Anybody can explore. Only you need to have an interest and you need to explore it. Yes, that we can do it. We have enough time. We can explore and we can learn a simple programming. Yes. So today, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a very small programming. Okay. So through that, you will come to know what is coding and how the program works. Okay. So here, this is the screen where you have a block here. Inside this, we have to arrange the various blocks. That is the instruction, okay, in the form of blocks. The first thing, okay, I'm going to write a programming for a dance party. So what we need for dance party? A music. So in the left side, you can select the music. Okay, quickly select any music. Okay, I have selected one music. Any music you can select your favorite. Then we need a background. So music is selected. Next one is background. So select the background for that. Okay, I'm going to select background here. So I'm going to take a neon. Then I'm going to take a color here. Okay, you can take, I have taken fireworks. So this is my first block. Okay, first instruction. Now this is here, the block is, the main block is here. The first instruction you are already given, that is the background. Now you need to select the dancers. Yes, okay, go for the dancers. We have different types of dancers here. We have alien, bear, dog, duck. I'm going to take a robot. Okay, you can pick whatever you want. Take a robot as a dancer. You can pick number of, now place it in a proper, you already know Lego blocks you have played and you know how to fix the blocks. Yes, you have fixed the block here. So I told where the, what the robot, who is the dancer, robot I have selected. I'm going to keep this robot in the center. Okay, next one, we'll select a few more dancers. We'll select few more dancers. I'm going to select 6 new bears. I'm going to take this one. Okay, so you place it here. So you have selected 6 new bears and they're going to play it in a circle or a diamond. However you want to arrange them, you can arrange. I'm going to arrange them in a circle. Yes. Now, yes, you can add few more events. You can check. We can say space. Okay, you can add any number of blocks to that. If it doesn't go, see, this is not fixing here. You can just put it in the bin back. Okay, so select whichever you want to apply, which goes properly with that one. So I cannot take this one. I'll just go back. So properties again. Yes, you need to check. Okay, here I can take the dance speed. Yes, so here it is going to fix. Yes, how the dancer should dance, that you can see. You want the normal dancing. Yes, so you have done your work. You have given the instruction. Now this instruction should be set of instructions. So these are the set of instructions. Put it in a block. I'm going to place the block. Can you see now? Yes, so this has arranged in a order. Yes. Next, we need to run. We need to see. First, I will show you the code. Now you are given instruction. What is the code behind it? So for a show code, you can see. Can you see? Set the background and dancer you have given, and what is the speed you have mentioned. All that you have mentioned in a language. Okay, this is used here JavaScript. Okay, that is also one programming language which you are going to use it to write the programs. Okay, so you have written the code, a simple code here. Now next task is to run the program. Yes, run this code so that we, can you see? Yes, so simple it is, right? You can write a program, you can create one your. So this is one sample I have given. You can try so many. Yes. So now we saw how to write a simple program. Yes, by using code.org. So this is a free tool available. Anybody can go and explore here. Yes, you can try so many new things here. Yes, Jai Gurudev, in the next class we will explore something new.